uh, quick things that our bloggers would want to know about New Era as a brand and of course Jabong and the philosophy of Jabong.
So what I'll do is I'll talk about Jabong and I'll let Paul explain a little bit more about New Era. From Jabong's standpoint, I think our core philosophy or ethos is about being you and expressing your individuality. So I think it's a great fit. We all have, we're all passionate about teams we follow, about sports we follow, and here's a way to kind of show that unique personality or unique liking to our friends, to the world around us. So New Era is very much true to be you, which is what Jabong is all about.
That's amazing. Thank you very much. Now is the moment we call on stage another man who needs no introduction. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Mr. Yannick Colasso, Managing Director, NBA India. Let's do this. Yannick, I got your name right. Yannick, amazing. NBA India has been associated with Jabong.com for a while. What do you have to say about this association? And of course, with NBA globally is tied up with New Era.
Yeah, I mean, Paul, in India, the most exciting thing most exciting event to be invited to is when you're called to a wedding of two family members from two different sides of your family. It's terrific. Look at Sandy, they're not here. You get invited for all the parties. The one party this side, one party that side. Everything is really exciting, and that's really how excited we are. At the NBA for us, it's really, really exciting. The two members of our global family are getting together in India. New Era has been partners with us for 21 years now. It's 21 years across the world with us. Jabong's been a partner for our e-commerce destination for NBA Store.in in India now for close to 4 years. We are thrilled. We think that this is a great marriage and a great partnership. It's great for our fans in India because obviously you'll be bringing this great range of NBA caps also into the country. So we are thrilled and we're really happy that that you guys are coming together. And we're excited to get New Era caps into the country.
Thank you very much, Yannick. I love about the wedding connotation that you gave. That's amazing. Yeah, you guys, don't you think the most celebrated thing in India is wedding, of course? And I think, as you said, from an Indian wedding before, or do you know how large and how fun it is to be a part of an Indian wedding?
Well, no, I've not attended an Indian wedding before. No, I've not. But last time when I was here, which was, I think, January, yeah. We came past a lot of places and we had our driver and we said, well, what is this? And he said, oh, it's the wedding season. So, yeah, put that on. Yeah. So no, but I've not attended a wedding. And as you know, I'm already married, so I mean.
Alright, so it's all coming back to you, man. You're on the travels, ask her. Wedding. Already. Perfect. Do you want to just give him a small input about how large it is and how fun it is to be?
I think you're the best person.
Alright, so months on the fun and frolic. It's an important day for all of us. For Jabong, for New Era, for NBA India. I mean, it's amazing. I love the fact that the collaborations are great. And as we all know, Alright, perfect. Let's have Paul, Yannick, Rahul with Sid. Will you? Yeah, please. Good evening, Sid. It's a beautiful evening. It's amazing to meet you again after the boomerang last time.
Meeting. We had a very brief meeting in the plane. इनको पहले plane में मिल चुका हूँ मैं. इन्होंने सीधा फोटो की जगह आके boomerang किया. And गायब हो गए. कहाँ थे यार मैं? But hello everyone. Good evening. All of us are looking pretty cool in our caps right here. And I've been wearing all the new era caps. All the teams that you guys support. Traveling in the US, obviously, when we started to see them before. And today, I've got my fun, cool hat after shoot. And let's see, we're going to have a fun evening and talk a lot about all the brands that they support.
Of course. Sid, also, we all know that you're a football buff. You love to sweat it out on the field. Just want to say something about that as well.
Yes, I know. I heard you make Man U looks cooler, all thanks to you. Manchester United guys have an advantage once again. Because you guys make the caps, and which is great. They're doing pretty well. Though I have to be, I'm slightly biased toward Arsenal. They've not been doing well, so I don't have to say it out loud. But I like being the underdog. It works sometimes. But Man U looks pretty cool in the caps that you guys wear.
Yeah.
Sid, few words about the association, New Era, exclusively on Jabong.com in India. What do you have to say about that? What do you think about that?
Well, I think it's great that people have access to these cool-looking caps from all different brands through Jabong. I am somebody who believes in playing sport, and once you love a team, you like wearing their jerseys or have their accessories, and this is a great accessory to have, which looks really cool. I've been wearing them in all the photographers have clicked us before in various different hats. Getting out of dinners and parties and everything. And it's all thanks to them, and I'm pretty excited. I'm going to take this one back home. Thank you for this one hat that I'm wearing. I'm not even asking. So I'm just taking
I'm
it back
just
home.
keeping it.
Slyly.
Perfect.
I like his as well, so I might slyly take it.
Sid, a birdie tells me you're going to do some tricks on stage with us. Is it true?
I was, there's one very cool thing me and my friends used to do in school, which I feel we should have a challenge, which is my challenge to all three of you right here on stage. It's very simple. I don't know if I'll be able to do it as well. We'll all have 3 attempts to try it, and whoever wins gets a gift from Jabong. So,
of course, the winner gets a New Era cap, which is exclusively.
So we have to all toss the hat, and whoever wears it,
Oh, like that.
one flip, and you have to wear the hat.
Okay, it's a flip challenge.
And you get it on your head without using you have to wear it on your head. Okay, so get it there.
So can
you'll
you?
get 3 chances, all right?
Yeah, 3 chance.
I don't know if I'll also be able to do it. And this
Sid,
is
I think we should have you go last. We should have you go last.
No,
Seriously.
We should all go together actually.
Should all-
We'll do 1,
yeah.
2, 3, all right?
Yeah. All right. Fair
So,
enough. So that's Rahul
This is
versus
our
Sid.
hat challenge. Let's see if New Era wins or all the other cool brands they have. Okay, so we have to flip it and wear it without using our hands. All right? Ready?
All right. Let me do the countdown. Are you guys ready as well? All right. Can we do the countdown together? Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. The winner takes it all. Yeah, that's the deal. Are you guys ready?
Ready?
All right. Rahul, Sid, Paul, Yannick, you guys ready? Yes, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go!
One more.
Last chance. This is going to be tough. This seems to be more tough than the first game that we did. Yeah? All right. Rahul, ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1, bang.
See, I was practicing. I got it. Such I've been practicing backstage. It's just, sorry guys, well played.
You won
well
the-
played. But I have some few years of experience in my college, and we used to be really obsessed with this game. But well played, guys. Well played.
Well played.
Yeah.
Can I call for the video?
So the video, unfortunately, it's not applicable in this game. Yes, not at all. caps. So
And perfect. It's exclusively
My job
available
easy.
on
Yeah.
Jabong as well. You guys can
Exactly.
shop it. For all the lovers of the cap,
Yeah.
that's the place to be. So, Sid, do we have more tricks? Do we have some?
no, pretty much. I think everybody played really well.
Yeah?
I think the pitch was really good today. The weather was a bit off. The wind was too high. But yeah, eventually then, thanks.
Yeah? Sid, you know. All right, so we're going to open the field. Yeah, if that's,
Sure.
if that's how it is.
Yeah.
We open the field to questions, yeah, from the media.
Is that
Please feel free. Let's keep our questions relevant to the event. Please don't get personal. Yeah, are we ready? Yeah, I see the naughty smiles on your face. We're going to stick to the occasion. Anything about Jabong.com, New Era Caps, and Sid's association with today's event would be appreciated. Any questions? Bloggers, media folks? All right. A gentleman, Raj out there, has a question.
Yeah, hello, good evening to all. This is Raj from Spicy Stars, Mumbai. Yeah, Siddharth, I'd like to know that Alia Bhatt was previously brand ambassador of this brand, and now you have replaced her. So,
Wow. Was Alia Bhatt wearing these caps before?
So we did have an association. We did have an association, and we are
That was
glad.
clothing. That was clothing.
That was clothing.
I think उन्होंने कपड़े पहने हैं, मैंने सिर्फ उनकी कैप पहनी है और Jabong is not making these caps. It's new era actually. So yeah, I think that's the actual fact. कि, she was wearing the clothes, I'm wearing the cap.
okay, what are your plans for this brand?
Oh, as I said, I think जिस किस्म के companies है or the kind of teams they follow have immense fan following. So I think my job becomes way easier. I love wearing caps myself, and I've worn them in every occasion, be it a party, a dinner, or outdoors, or playing sports, of course. And it's exciting. I have more options to choose from, and I will take full advantage and get the cooler, newer versions of it. And it just adds a great accessory to the look.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Raj. Who would like to go up next? You, ma'am. Perfect.
My question is for Paul. Just wanted to know that, after online, do you also plan to move to brick and mortar?
Oh, that's a good question. I think the way we looked at the market on this moment, I think that with the online presence of Jabong and the core consumer that Jabong reaches, and the overlap that we have in core consumers, I think this is a really, really good venue for us. So for the time being, I think this is what we definitely are going to do. Of course, I don't have a crystal ball. India is a new market for us. As we started up new markets in Russia, South Africa, Brazil, and all that, India is the next market. You never know what's going to come, but on this moment, definitely kind of the online shopper, the online presence for us is the most important. And for the time being, we're definitely going to keep it there. Yeah?
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Look forward to working with you.
Yeah, good. Thank you.
Who's up next? Sir, I hope we have questions pertaining to the occasion. We have the mic in the back.
Siddharth, hi. On your right. Here, on behind.
Hi.
हाय जैसा कि हम सभी ने ये चैलेंज देखा तो हम सभी जानते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री में कई सारे एक्टर आपके दोस्त हैं तो किन किन एक्टर के साथ में आप ये चैलेंज करना चाहेंगे और आपको कौन लगता है कि ये चैलेंज कौन फेस कर सकता है आपके अनुसार
फेस कर सकता है मेरी तरह वाह वाह बहुत ही एप्ट है नहीं यार काफ़ी लड़के बहुत लड़के पहनते हैं मैंने आदि रॉय कपूर को देखा है रणबीर को देखा है पहनते हुए आई थिंक दीज टू बॉयज आई हैव हंग आउट विद एंड दे आर वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ ऑल दीज ब्रांड्स और उनको बहुत शौक है जिस तरह मैं पहनता हूँ तो आई डोंट नो मैंने ये चैलेंज किया नहीं वैसे इट बी कूल टू गेट आदि एंड रणबीर एंड डू अ चैलेंज विद देम एंड हम में से कौन ये हैट पहन सकता है इस चैलेंज पे
एंड आपको छोड़ के अगर मैं बात करूँ तो किसके ऊपर कैप में देखना ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं सब बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है
मतलब किसको टोपी पहना चाहता हूँ मैं
एज यू विश
ये पूछ रहा है इंडस्ट्री में किसको टोपी पहनाऊँ
जी बिल्कुल
आई थिंक ये दोनों जिनके नाम लिए हैं और जो आई थिंक एक आदमी जो नहीं पहनते हैं आई थिंक करण जौहर शुड ट्राई उन्होंने बीच में रिसेंटली शुरू किया है एंड करण के बहुत ही अच्छे और अतरंगी रंग होते हैं उनके स्टाइलिंग में, एंड आई थिंक ही हैज़ द ग्रेट कैरेज टू पुल ऑफ रियली कूल कलर्स. So it'll be very cool to see Karan, trying one of the really funky, loud
Which
ones.
colors? Okay.
Funky, loud colors, yeah. Really great.
एंड सिद्धार्थ, एक आखिरी सवाल ये है कि हम सभी जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि आप एक्टर दुनिया के हर कोने में जाते हैं, हार्ड वर्क करते हैं, मेहनत करते हैं, लेकिन जब कभी कभी हम सुनते हैं कि एज एन एक्टर आप लोगों को धमकियाँ आती है कि ऐसी इस तरह से कोई फ़ोन कॉल आते हैं, ब्लैंक कॉल आते हैं या धमकी आती है, तब क्या फील करते हैं या क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस तरह की जब चीज़ें होती है आप लोगों के साथ में?
स्कूल में आ गया तो ऐसा आई थिंक ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. आई थिंक अभी तक तो मुझे जिसकी आप बात कर रहे हैं, तो मैं जो एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया उसमें कैसे बातें करूँगा.
Hello Siddharth, we love your presence here. So we all vloggers are here and we would like to take a picture with you on the stage.
Oh yeah, super.
We're gonna do that. We'll finish off the Q&A session.
Very good question.
Wow.
No, we will. He's the guy. He's stopping us from.
Yeah, man.
No, we're gonna do that.
That's really rude of you.
First, we'll do that. We'll do a mass selfie, but before that, let's do some questions. I thought you guys had more intense questions out there. Yeah?
The only guy was wearing a cap. Yeah, pretty cool.
Alright, we have a question. I hope, alright. We loved your drama back then. I hope.
Hi Sid. So I just want to know that what is the cap that you're wearing? How is it different from the other caps that you usually wear? What are the best features of this cap?
Well, I think this one is their own in-house branding, which is New Era, and it's not representing a team. We've all seen, all these brands, especially that one that's a New York Yankee one, which is very, very popular, famous everywhere in the US. Features-wise, I think the only thing I would say in my caps, I like the one which has this adjustable strap, which makes it easy. Also, depending on your haircut, sometimes you're longer hair, so baal fit nahi aate mere in cap mein. So, like, look at this guy. Iske, I don't know how you're wearing it actually. You have to wear 2 sizes bigger to fit this. It is Lulu. What? Oh, acha, with that. मैंने तेरा gesture देखा नहीं. Sounded a bit wrong. But yeah, I think the only feature I like is this, when it's adjustable at the back, which is pretty cool. I find them far more comfortable. Thank you. I'll keep wearing it. Yeah.
Who else?
Come, I can hear you.
My question is for Rahul. Hi, Rahul. Jabong as a company is very focused on sports as a segment. So just want to know, do you also plan to have any associations with ISL or any kind of leagues, sports leagues? No, I was, attending the football movement yesterday where, Abhishek was there and he's the team
Sure.
leader
So
for Chennai.
we've had association with a bunch of sporting properties in the past, and you can definitely look forward to a few more of those, especially considering that we are now partnering with New Era, which is so deeply integrated with sporting teams and the sporting culture. So sure. So you should look forward to something like that from us in the future.
Siddharth, how would you sell a cap?
Can you please ask on the mic?
Yeah, hi.
We're using this audio for the...
Hello. Yeah, Siddharth, if you've given an ad or an accessory to sell, like for instance the cap, so how would you sell the cap?
How would I
Could
sell
you
the cap?
enact like कैसे आप बेचेंगे?
अब the audition दे दूँ मैं भी.
This is like a
Audition
job
nahi,
interview,
how will you
right?
sell a
You
cap?
go-
Yeah, ऐसा लग रहा है job interview.
Yeah.
वो सिर्फ पहनेंगे तो बिक जाएगा यार, आपको पता है.
No,
Yeah, I think,
besides, no, he is an actor. You're an actor. People follow your style. I do
So
agree.
people say, I don't know if I'm an actor. Yeah.
No, but how would you sell a cap?
How will I sell a cap? I've not really thought of it. I'm an actor, of course. If you direct me, I will sell it.
I'm not a director, so you.
Unfortunately, I'm only an actor.
Yeah, I really believe this is the selling point. Sid has the cap on him, and that's about it. Yeah, you guys agree with that? Perfect. Yeah. Questions. Yeah, we're gonna come there. Here first, please.
In India, typically most Indians wear caps as a functional accessory. Keep them cool and keep the sun away, etc. What will it take to build a huge business in making caps as a fashion accessory? Is it something as a must-have, something that people look forward to? What's the new product launching? I must have every new thing happening. What's my favorite team? If there are 10 caps in my favorite team, I need to have all 10 of them. What's it going to take to build India into that kind of a market?
I think that question too.
Okay.
Oh yes.
We've got the experts on.
You want Sid to answer that or me?
Anyone.
Yeah,
Okay.
good. All right. No, I think if you look at New Era Cap, we always kind of play on two fields of play, which is sports and culture. Yeah, and sports is really kind of the functional side of headwear. Yeah, if you play baseball or if you play cricket. You need a cap that keeps your head cool. You need a cap actually that helps you with the light. You need a cap that really focuses you. If you play golf, for instance, exactly the same. If you play in the NFL, you want headwear that keeps you warm, that protects you against the rain, protects you against the snow, or the next week you play in San Diego, protects you against the sun. So that's the kind of, that's really the authentic side, the technical side. The other side is really kind of taking the style on field and making it cool to wear on, to go to a club, for instance. You know, Sid is an Arsenal fan. He can wear a red cap, you know, to go to the game. But when you go in the evening to the club or you're going to have a meal with your girlfriend or whatever, it's pretty tough to wear that cap because it really, really stands out. It's taking that style and really kind of making that cool for lifestyle, you know? Maybe with tone-on-tone colors, maybe with black on black, white on white, and really kind of making that cool for it. Because on that moment, people will be wearing the cap, whether it's a general cap or whether it's, for instance, an Arsenal cap, and I just use that as an example, to actually, you know, go out in the evening. He's also happy with Man U, so that's good.
We'll get the mic to you.
There's one another functional purpose. You want to go incognito? It helps.
Yeah, that's true for us. Like this, but
Yeah.
all these guys know our addresses and our cars.
Siddharth, what is your shopping mantra in general? Do you believe in online shopping or you still miss shopping on street?
I definitely miss shopping in a showroom. I think if I had the time and the access to it, I think that's the best. But online is something that I definitely do shop on. I've been calling stuff from everywhere around the world. It's very easy. You know, it's very convenient, and we've got loads of options, which we won't get, say, in going to a store. And you know, Jabon, for example, if you can just log on and you can get everything from, you know, everything that I'm wearing could have been bought from Jabon.
So
it's
any
far more
friend whom
convenient.
do you consult before shopping online? I mean,
Any
like-
friends who
Yeah.
are concerned? I have. I think you know, Karan and Alia have suggested me some online you know, websites to give out. So then, yeah, they helped me out some names.
Thank you.
Jabong is one of them, so it's okay.
Thank you.
Hi. One more question. Hi, Siddharth, this is Ravi Kumar. On your right.
Okay,
Corner
hi,
side.
hi.
Siddharth, your new upcoming Ittifaq is creating a lot of buzz on social media everywhere. I wanted to know how different is this movie compared to old one? How would this version relate to new era compared to old?
It's a murder mystery, जैसे कि पुरानी थी, and we are not remaking it. I would say the correct word would be we're adapting it. It's adapted by the same family who produced it. Abhay Chopra, you know, is B.R. Chopra's grandson, and he's directing it for the first time. Me, Sunakshi, and Akshay are shooting. I just came from set, and we're shooting. It's a true, I think, homage to a murder mystery genre, which we're shooting. And I think more than that, in a murder mystery, the mystery should be there. So that's all I want to say.
Okay, so I think we're done with the questions. Are we? Perfect. Okay, sir, आपके पास कोई question था? है?
तो गुस्सा हो गया एक दूसरे
हाँ यार।
को, उदास हो गए अब तो क्या हो गया कोई जिंदगी में कुछ खराबी
भाई येड़े तेड़े एंगल में फोटो ले लेंगे इन लोग
थके हारे बैठे हैं यहाँ पे।
नहीं नहीं
हाँ।
ठीक है so keeping the jokes aside all good any more questions out there सर आप पिंकी वाला क्वेश्चन मत पूछ लेना. Can we have the mic?
Good evening, Siddharth sir. I have a
evening,
question
sir.
that
Yes, sir.
what are the 5 everyday accessory that you have on you every day, and what would you suggest a normal guy to have? A 5 accessory.
I think something on the hand, either a watch or a bracelet that I like to wear, a cap, for example. I mean, cap definitely. I like to carry a jumper on top, just in case आप कहीं indoor बैठे हैं जहाँ पे AC बहुत तेज है. I like carrying a pair of easy shoes, just in case, like on set especially. So I think have a pair of change, which maybe not for everybody else, for actors it works. And what else? I think have something in the neck, which boys can pull off really well, not chokers. I've heard some boys are wearing really tight chokers, which I find a bit odd. So not that, but some easy, cool little boy kind of accessory in the neck.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys. It was amazing having all you guys with us. Yeah, we can't finish off without a selfie. You know, without a selfie, we can't like. Yeah. So we're gonna do. All right. We'll do the bloggers, but before that, let me first call on Team Jabong on stage. Can we have Team Jabong on stage with us?
Yeah, come.
That's amazing.
Yeah, that's pretty funky. That's pretty cool.